Hi, I'm Kate. This is my sweetheart, Paul. We are the founders of Rustica Hardware. Welcome to Installing Inspiration.
We're going to show you how to live in art and live inspired. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, now we're going to attach our track to our header. We've got all the tools and hardware we need for that. So it looks like the first thing we've got are our lags, our washers, our adjustable spacers. These are so cool. These are patented. They're going to make it real easy for us.
Okay, we're ready to install the track, and the easiest way to do that is to grab one of these lags with a washer on it, a spacer, and the stop, and we're going to start at the far end and work our way across. So Kate, if you could hold that end, it's a lot easier if you have an extra hand to balance the track. So I'm going to take this lag, put it through the stop, and then if we can lift this up a little bit, it's going to go through the track, and now I'm going to take the spacer and put it through the back side of the lag, just like that. Now I'm ready to go ahead and use the pre-drilled hole to drill this lag into our header. You ready, Kate?
All right, go ahead, babe.
All right, now I'm just gonna keep working my way across. Okay, so I'm just gonna slip this spacer underneath the next one and line it up.
I'll hold it a little bit better for you.
Okay. As we're putting these spacers behind the track, there is a larger flange off the back of the spacer, and then the front of the spacer that is connecting with the back of the track. It's the adjustable part that we can make sure our track is going to be going straight. And so it's a good idea to not really suck these down too far. Don't tighten them all the way, so that you can have some adjustability if you need to. So I'm just going to put that behind the wall, behind the track.
These spacers are so cool. Because they're adjustable, you can overcome issues that your wall may have. If it's not exactly straight, then you adjust it up or down to make it easy for your track to line up straight. The other thing is, if you're trying to overcome an obstacle on the other side of the wall, maybe a light switch or something that's in the way, just adjust it out.
Okay, we've gotten to the center of the track, Kate, so now I'm going to take the biparting stop, which is basically a double stop, and put it over the track, grab another spacer, put it behind the hole in a lag, and it's a slotted hole, so we can adjust that a little bit so that the doors stop right in the middle when they come together. This is the last one. And again, it'll have a stop that we put over the track, line the stop hole with the track hole, and then
Move my finger out of the way.
move your finger, unless you want to stay up here for a very long time. Okay, that's solid.
We got it.
Okay.